If you're planning to start a business in Minnesota, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Minnesota even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like NorthWest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Minnesota? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your personal belongings stay separate from your business liabilities, giving you peace of mind and added security. And of course, you have tax flexibility. So instead of paying taxes at both the business and personal level, you only pay once, making it simpler and often more cost-effective. And of course, you have a simplified structure. You don't have to deal with complicated rules, board meetings, or strict corporate requirements, making it easier to manage and run your business. And of course, you have a business-friendly environment. Minnesota's ecosystem helps entrepreneurs succeed whether you're launching a startup or expanding an existing business. After that is choosing a name for your LLC in Minnesota. Now you have to make sure that your LLC name must be unique and not already registered in Minnesota. It should include LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company. You want to make sure that it should never contain restricted words like bank, insurance, government, bureau, or attorney without proper license. And if you wanted to check the availability of your desired business name, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Minnesota Secretary of State Business Search and then search the desired name. Now, if no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go, and you can reserve the name for 12 months if you are not ready to file it yet. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Now, after that is choosing a registered agent. Now, you need to remember that a registered agent receives all the legal documents and state notices. They must have a physical address in Minnesota. If you wanted to be an agent of your own, you can do that, provided that you meet all the legal state requirements. And if you wanted to hire an individual, a friend, or relative, you can do so. But what we suggest is to hire a registered formation agent service like NorthWest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all the paperwork for you. The official step that forms your LLC is filing the Articles of Organization. Now you can simply do this by going to the official website of the Minnesota Secretary of State, and all you have to do is provide the required information such as LLC name, registered agent name and address, organizer's name and email, a filing fee of $155 for online, which is processed immediately, and by mail, which is $135. Once approved, your LLC is officially registered. Minnesota does not require an operating agreement, but it's highly recommended because an operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, management structure, profit and loss distribution, and rules for adding or removing members. It helps prevent disputes and keeps your LLC legally protected. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Next is to register for the Minnesota state taxes. Number one thing that we need to do is to get the Minnesota tax ID number. All I have to do is very simple. Go to the Minnesota Department of Revenue if you'll collect sales tax, have employees, or owe other state taxes. And then you can also go to the Minnesota's e-services portal to go and check the online registration conveniently. You can quick access and process all of these requirements instantly. And of course, remember to stay compliant, maintaining good standing with ongoing tax filings, quarterly payments, and annual reports as required by your business type. Understanding your obligations from the start helps avoid penalties and keeps your LLC in good standing with both state and federal authorities. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called NorthWest? NorthWest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Minnesota. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with NorthWest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, because this is super simple, and let's start with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from NorthWest. It shows the service that you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you're forming your LLC, and the total cost before payment. So think of it as your checkout overview. Now, the company section collects the basic details about your business, including the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, plus the business purpose. You should also include your business address. Don't worry, because this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state, and the information is kept private. Now, the management section is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means you hire a manager to run the business for you. Now, if you're not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark button, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you want to add names of members or managers, just click this button right here. Next is some added service that you wanted. For example, if you want to add tax ID, maybe S corporation and premium mail service, you can do that. But if you want to skip all of these, you can do that if you want to handle them yourself. Next is gonna be the account section. This is where you create your NorthWest online dashboard, provide your email address, set a password, and confirm login details. Now, this account lets you access your state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. The last step is the payment section. With this, it confirms your order by providing your credit or debit card details, of course, the review of total cost, and the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, NorthWest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Minnesota, which is a straightforward and very doable, especially if you follow the state requirements closely. The process is simple, the fees are reasonable, and the protections you get as an LLC make it well worth the effort. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, NorthWest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like NorthWest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with NorthWest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.